Excuse this interruption. I don't mean to cause a disruption, but don't use the sharpness of your speech to the woman who taught you how to speak. Don't mistreat the woman who stood up all night for you with no sleep. The one who fed you when you needed something to eat. She is your mother, the one who had you and held you, bathed you and clothed you, protected you from every harm, taught you the right from the wrong. The person who had mercy on you when you couldn't walk or talk or stand on your feet. She carried you for 9 months and loved you for a lifetime. No words or rhythm and no rhymes could ever come close to define. She is the only person you'll ever meet who has paradise right beneath her feet. So be gentle in your speech, because to her approval you should try to reach. She is a great gift from Allah, and there's no other who'll take the place of your dear mother.